Hey there, in this quick video, I'm going to compare the Tapo TC71 with the Tapo C210, and we're going to look on what are the main differences between these two, regards the specs and things like that. So both got the same video resolution, so even when we're going to look here, and we see the maximum resolution. So that's the same thing there. Then both got the same frame rate. The one thing that is a difference, but not much, is the C210 got better vertical range, and they got both same field of view, night vision, and everything. You can have sound or light armor for TC71, and everything else again same. Image enhancement you have for TC71, and everything else is a die, and you can have more things for the package contents. So that's pretty much it. I just want to make this like quick comparison between these two that you need to know, like some important things and what are the main differences. But there isn't much differences, to be honest. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. And even when I check reader 3D. Yeah, you have the image enhancement here. Something that you don't have here. Have a great day and goodbye.